Hello and welcome back to JS Physics. So this is the part 3 of use of logarithms. Let us start. Now today we'll be learning about division of numbers using logarithms. For that we have to learn about rules of division of numbers by using logarithms. So rules for division is this. Suppose two numbers are given to us. Let us say numbers m and number n. Two numbers are given. In that case, this is the rule for division. Log of m divided by n is equal to log of m minus log of n. That means in logarithm, the division is replaced by subtraction, and that's why the calculations becomes more simpler. So let us understand this with the help of one example. Let us take division of these two numbers, 512.3 and 6.254. Let us assume that the answer of this is equal to x, and we want to find the answer by using logarithmic tables. So the very first step will be this. X is equal to anti-log of 512.3 divided by 6.254. And according to rule of division in logarithms, the division will be replaced by subtraction. So this is equal to anti-log of 512.3 minus, this division is replaced by subtraction. So minus log of 6.254. Now already we know how to find the log of these two numbers, so we'll just find that. Here the first number is 512.3. The number of digits before decimal point are 3, so characteristic will be 3 minus 1, that is 2. So characteristic will be 2 here. Right? To find the mantissa, we have to divide this into three groups, 51, 2 and 3. So in the row of 51 under the column of 2 we have to find this number, and then in the column of mean difference of 3 in the same row we have to find the number. On adding these two numbers you'll get the answer 0.7095. We know the characteristic is 2. So the log of 512.3 will become 2.7095. The second number is 6.254. The number of digits before decimal point are 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0. So characteristic will be 0. To find the mantissa, now we have to see in the row of 62 under the column of 5 and mean difference of 4. So in the row of 62 under the column of 5 we have to search for this number, and in the row of 62 under the column of mean difference 4 we have to search this number. While adding this 2 you'll get the number 7962. Right? Now we have to subtract this 2. By normal subtraction you'll get the answer 1.9133. Now once we get this number, we have to find the anti-log of this number. So anti-log of 1.9133. To find the anti-log, we have to see anti-logarithmic tables. And in that particular table, in the row of 0.91, under the column of 3 and mean difference of 3, we have to find these two numbers. Now you'll see that the number written here is 8185, and in the mean difference it is 6. So add these two numbers. So you'll get the number 8191. Right? Once we get this number, now we have to see where to place the decimal point. For that we have to observe the characteristic. Characteristic is 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. That means we have to place the decimal point after 2 digits. Alternatively, we can also write this is equal to 8191. Place the decimal point after 1 digit always, and take the characteristic as the power of 10. So 10 raised to 1. So 8.191 into 10 raised to 1, that will be nothing but 81.91. And that's why our final answer will be 81.91. So this is how we can simplify the calculation of division by taking log and then subtracting them. Let us take one more example. Now we want to divide these two numbers, 23.75 and 0.003421. So our first step will be anti-log of this division. As we know, The division is replaced by subtraction in logarithms. So now we'll write log of 23.75 minus log of 0.003421. Now by usual method we'll find the log of this number. Number of digits before decimal point are 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So characteristic will be 1 for the first number. Now to find the Mantissa, we have to see in the row of 23 under the column of 7 and min difference column of 5. We have to add these two numbers. When we add these two, the answer comes out to be 3756. So log of 23.75 will be 1.3756. Similarly, we'll apply the rules of logarithms here for second number. This number is less than 1. So the number of zeros are 2 between decimal point and first non-zero number. So 2 plus 1 becomes 3. And that we have to take with negative sign. So characteristic for this number will become bar 3. And then to find the Mantissa, we have to see in the row of 34 under the column of 2 and min difference of 1. We have to add these two numbers. So that will give the answer 5341. Right? So log of 0.003421 will become bar 3.5341. Now we'll subtract by normal method. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 minus 3, 4. And now here we have to be a bit careful. Right? Here this number is less. So I'll take one carry from here. This becomes 0. This becomes 13. 13 minus 8. And then 0 minus 3. This will become plus 3. So we get the answer 3.8415. So the next step will be to find the anti-log of 3.8415. So again, to find the anti-log, we have to see anti-logarithmic tables. So in the row of 0.84, under the column of 1 and min difference of 5, we have to add these two numbers. So on adding these two numbers, we'll get 6942 as the answer. Right? Now where to place the decimal point? So we have to see the characteristic. 3 plus 1 is 4. So after 4 digits, we'll place the decimal point. So our answer becomes 6942. This is the answer for division of these two numbers. As we can find the Mantissa of only 4-digit number for any number given more than 4 digits, we have to convert that into 4-digit number by using the rules of rounding off. And as we know, if the number of digits are more than 4, then we have to see the 5th digit. Right? So if the 5th digit is less than 5, simply neglect that. And if it is equal to or more than 5, add 1 to the previous number and go accordingly. Right? So that is how we can calculate the division of two numbers by using logarithms. So that is about division of two numbers or more than two numbers. Thank you for watching the video.